Hi and welcome to Naked Skincare Company. Today's video is all about oil cleansing and how you do it. I've been asked a lot recently about oil cleansing, what skin types it's suitable for, how exactly you do it, and also, is it just a bit of a faff? So I wanted to show you that actually it's not a faff. It's really quick, it's really easy, and you can cleanse, you can exfoliate, and you can moisturise your skin all in one really quick go. So I'm going to show you how to do it with our facial cleansing oil. Now this is definitely our most popular product. It's made with 100% natural plant oils, so we've got castor oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil and argan oil in there. It's absolutely ram-packed full of vitamins. You're not just cleansing, you're actually feeding and nourishing your skin at the same time. To start with, you'll need to make sure you take all your hair off your face, and you'll need some hot water next to you and also a nice flannel as well. Make sure you use a clean one. You don't want to be transferring any bacteria onto your face. So have your clean flannel and your hot water ready, whether you're in the shower, that's an ideal place to do it, or whether you're over the sink, or if you are at your desk like I am, you can have a nice bowl of hot water ready. To start with then, you're going to need about 7 or 8 squirts of the facial oil into the palm of your hands. You might want to use a little bit more, and I'll show you the consistency as I do this, because it's not like a runny oil, it's not like a runny vegetable oil that you might be familiar with. It's really thick, and it's definitely more like a silky serum kind of texture. So if we use about 7 squirts on here, 8, we'll do 8. Okay, there we go. So you can see there that it's really quite thick and it's silky and it's not sliding off there anywhere. It's all doing quite nicely. Okay, so if you just massage it into your fingers there, you want to warm it up, and it's going on my face. Okay, so smooth it all over your face just like this, and then you want to start using small circular motions. I'm going to focus on up here and take it into my eyebrows as well, because the oils are so nourishing, they'll condition your eyebrows and leave them looking a bit crazy too. And then all around here. If you find you've got any areas on your face where you're more prone to blackheads, make sure you give a really good massage into those areas, because the oil can help to loosen those and help to release them. So I'm quite prone to getting them on my chin, so I like to make sure that I massage that all in on there really well. Okay, and that's that. Now if you've got time, you can leave this to sit on your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. It really helps to draw out the impurities. If not, that's not a problem. So you take your flannel and your nice hot water, and the first step, and this is a really nice one actually, is just to hold the flannel over your face, and you want the hot water and the steam to just gently open up your pores. So I'm hiding under my flannel. And then once that's done, you want to use different corners of your flannel just to wipe it off. So if you don't need an exfoliation, then you just want to do a simple quick wipe. For every sweep, use a different section of your flannel. If you feel like your skin needs an exfoliate, which I'd probably recommend doing about 2 or 3 times a week, you want to use a small circular motion as you're wiping the oil off, just like this. I like to use lots of nice fresh water as I'm doing this. And you'll find that with massaging your skin and with using the flannel as well, it really helps to improve the blood flow to your skin, and it makes it look really fresh and really nice and clean. And I think that's it done. We'll just make sure I've got the crazy eyebrows down. There we go, all done. I'm just going to use a towel and gently pat my skin dry now. And that is how fast and how easy and how non-messy oil cleansing is. Okay. Now, when I say it moisturises afterwards, it really does. If you find you've got skin slightly on the oilier side or more normal skin, you might find that you don't need a moisturiser on top of the oil cleansing. If you've got really dry skin or more mature skin like I have, because my skin is so thirsty, you might need a couple of extra drops of moisturising oil afterwards. But right now, I actually don't feel like I do. So I'll do you a little bit of a, there we go. So everything's just fresh and it's clean and it's all completely natural. So that's the facial cleansing oil, not a faff at all. So if you've got any questions about how to do the oil cleansing, drop a comment on the video and I'll be happy to answer any of them. All right, so enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.